This isn't just an outdoor movie night. This is hot buttered popcorn under the stars, and I'm going to show you exactly how to set this up. Our first item, this is the star of your outdoor show. It isn't just a projector in the backyard anymore. This is a full-on outdoor movie experience. Look at the size of this screen. It's 18 feet. That's not movie night. That's event night. And what I love is that it's not just for nighttime. You can set this up during the day, have people over, relax outside. It turns your backyard into something people actually want to stay in. Now, this is built differently than cheaper versions. It's got a stronger blower, thicker material, and a wrinkle-free screen, which is really nice, so your picture actually looks clean and sharp, not all wavy and distorted. Right? That's awful. Anyway, this is huge. You can do front or rear projection, which gives you way more flexibility with your setup. The screen is removable. It's reinforced and made to actually last. It's not something you're replacing after one season. And it also comes with everything you need. The blower, stakes, tethers, storage bag. So you're not piecing things together. It's all right there, ready to go. And this is why people love it. It sets up easily, packs down easily, and once it's up, it just works. No fussing with it all night. It's also built with thicker material and better sealing, so it stays inflated and holds up over time, which matters because this is the centerpiece of your movie night. It's what makes it feel like a real outdoor movie night, just like an old-time drive-in. All right, now this is the part that brings it all to life, because you can have the screen, you can have the cold drinks and the popcorn, but without a good projector, it's just vibes and wishful thinking. This projector, this is your movie theater in a box. What I love is that you don't have to hook up 5 different things and cross your fingers it all works. Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, it's already there. You turn it on, pick your movie, you're done. Easy. I love it. And look how bright and clear this is. This is 1500 ANSI lumens, which basically means you can actually see what you're watching. Even before it gets completely dark out, you're not squinting at a faded picture. And the sound from this thing, this is where it gets fun. Dolby audio means you're getting those deep lows, those crisp highs, so when the music hits or the action kicks in, you feel it. If you want to take it up another level, boom, you can connect your Bluetooth speaker. So now you've got that big screen and real sound to match it. That's when people stop chatting and start watching. Another cool option, it's not just for movies. If you've got kids or, grown adults who act like kids, you know who you are. You can game on this. No lag, no delay. Just full screen, heart-raising chaos. This is the part that blows people away. Up to a 300-inch screen. That's massive. That's the kind of thing where people walk in your backyard and go, wait, what is this? Don't worry about trying to line everything up perfectly when you set it up. It adjusts for you, so you're not out there fiddling with angles for 20 minutes while everyone's waiting. And it connects to pretty much everything. Your game consoles, speakers, USB, HDMI. So whatever you've already got, you're covered. You don't need anything extra. And this projector, this is what turns it from we're watching something outside into we're having a movie night under the stars. Okay, now this is what takes your movie night from nice to you can actually hear the movie without everyone yelling, what did they say? This is the Bose SoundLink Flex, and I'm telling you right now, this is where your sound goes from flat to full-on immersive. And what I love about this, you don't have to fuss with it either. Lay it flat, stand it up, toss it on the table. It just fills the space with sound. No wires to trip over or get tangled, no complicated setup. Just connect your Bluetooth and you're done. And the sound, well, you know Bose, right? Clear voices, deep enough bass to feel it, but not so much that your neighbors start filing complaints. And it comes in a bunch of colors too, so you can match your whole setup. You can even set up 2, one on each side of you for that full theater experience. Next, what would an outdoor movie night be without fire? Because once you add fire, everything changes. This is a portable fire pit and grill, so now you're not just watching a movie, you're cooking, you're eating, you're hanging out. And this surprised me about this grill. It seems little, but you can actually put a full pot or a Dutch oven right on top of this. So if you want to make something real, chili, beans, even a full meal, some sort of big stew, you're not limited. And the grill height adjusts so you control the heat, high for burgers and steaks, lower it down for veggies, or just keep everything warm while people grab plates. I just love that it's simple and easy. Unfold it, light it, and you're ready to go. No hauling a full grill across the yard. And this is the part that makes it different. You're not cooking in shifts anymore. You're cooking together. Everyone's around the fire. Food's coming off the grill. People are talking and laughing. It's a beautiful time. This is the part people talk about as they leave your driveway. This is the part people always remember. Okay, this table might not look exciting, but it's what keeps everything from turning into a mess. Because once you've got snacks, drinks, plates, you need somewhere to actually put it all. Otherwise, it's cups on the ground, food in your lap, and inevitably, someone knocking something over. Yes, I am that person. The best part is that it folds up, goes right into a bag, and you can throw it in your car. It travels well, so it's not this big bulky thing you have to deal with. And it's built for outdoors. It has a waterproof top, strong frame, and those little anti-slip feet, so it's not wobbling all over the place. And the height adjusts, so whether you're sitting low in chairs or standing around it, it actually works with your setup. It even works on uneven terrain because each leg adjusts separately. So this is where it really comes in handy. It becomes your snack station. Drinks, popcorn, plates, everything in one place. Everyone heads to the food table, right? Let's be honest. And it sets up fast. You're not out there fighting with it or stressing to have it ready before people start arriving. You know, those early birds, right? Once everything's set up, this is where people gather. Food's on the table, drinks are flowing, movies playing in the background. This table is the hub. It doesn't seem like a big thing, but without it, everything else feels chaotic. Okay, this is where it gets fun. This isn't microwave popcorn. This is real, old school, over-the-fire popcorn. And it's simple. You load it up, hold it over the fire, and in a few minutes, you've got a whole batch ready to go. Easy peasy. And because of the long handle, you're not right on top of the flames. You can just sit back, turn it slowly, and listen to it popping. And it makes a lot. Enough for everyone to grab a bowl without running out in 5 minutes. You don't have to be going back and forth. Movie night rained out? Bring it in. This makes perfect popcorn inside too. But honestly, this belongs outside. This is the part where people start grabbing handfuls, passing it around, laughing. This is movie night. Okay, I have a serious question. Buttered or unbuttered? Tell me in the comments below. I'm curious. The sounds of popping corn and the smell of hot buttered popcorn wafting through the air? This is what makes it feel like a real movie night under the stars. While you're at it, don't forget the popcorn boxes. These are sturdy, grease-resistant, and way easier than handing everyone a bowl. And don't forget a small trash setup, too. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. Okay, a cooler with ice is the easiest way to keep drinks cold. We know that, old school stuff. But if you want a real glamping upgrade, this 12-volt portable fridge gives you both a fridge and freezer. This is your drinks, your ice, all in one place. It's a dual-zone setup, so you can keep things cold on one side and frozen on the other if you want. No running back inside for ice. Seems like a good place to stash some ice cream sandwiches and popsicles. Just saying. And you can power this pretty much anywhere. Home, car, power station, even solar. So wherever you set up, it works. You set it up once, put it next to your seating area, and that's it. Done. Everyone's hanging out. Cold drinks are right there. No one's getting up every 5 minutes. And if you want to adjust it, you can do it right from your phone. Honestly, once it's set, you don't even have to think about it. This fridge-freezer combo works anywhere. Backyard, camping, fishing, even a small gathering. It just makes everything easier, and you can actually sit down and enjoy yourself. Now, you want to be comfortable while you're watching your movie, right? This is where it gets really comfortable, because this isn't just camp chairs anymore. This is a whole lounge setup. You've got your drinks right there. You're sitting back watching the movie. This is where you settle and don't move. And the best part? This pulls out into a full bed, so you've got the soft surface, built-in cup holders, everything right where you need it. And when the movie's over, you don't have to go anywhere. You just pull it out, grab a blanket, and you're done. This sofa turns into a real queen-size bed, so it's not cramped, it's actually roomy. And yes, the cup holders add that little touch, which is kind of perfect. This is one of those things that makes the whole setup feel a bit more elevated. And if you don't need 2 queen-size beds, there's also an option with the sofa and 2 chairs that pull out into single beds, so you can mix and match depending on your space. This is what turns it from a setup into a night you don't want to end. Don't overlook this one. It seems simple, but it adds another layer of comfort. And if you have kids, they're gonna love it. You can stretch out, sit back, lay down if you want. This is where you stop adjusting and just allow. And it's big, so you're not fighting for space or sitting on top of each other. It's actually comfortable. It's soft on top, a little cushion in the middle, and waterproof underneath, so you're not worrying about damp grass or anything like that. And it rolls up easily. Strap it, grab it, and go. I love all these things. They're just so easy. You can use this anywhere, backyard, park, beach. It just works. When you're done, it folds right back up, no hassle. This is one of those things you end up using all the time. Not just for movie night, but for movie night, it's kind of perfect. All right, last thing, and this is what pulls everything together. This lantern has 2 modes, a soft warm glow and a really bright light. About 2,500 lumens, so yes, it can be very bright. But for movie night, you keep it low and warm. Just enough light so you can see without washing out the screen. And if you need it, it'll even charge your phone, which honestly comes in handy. You can hang it, set it on a table, move it wherever you need it, and it's simple to use. Just turn the dial and set the mood. And this is what gives everything that glow. Not too bright, not too dark, just right. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. If you like this kind of setup, go ahead and hit like and subscribe, please, for more. Be sure to check out some of my other glamping videos. The links are below. And as always, I'll see you on the flip side.